Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve into Apple, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.10. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Apple's stock has shown a gain of 6.47%. This means it has delivered an average return of 0.18% per day since it was recommended as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 15.67% change over the next 3 months. The potential return on investment ranges from 11.07% to 20.75%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected 33.23% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 19.81% and 37.58%. In terms of price, the stock could reach a range of $231.93 to $266.33 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple brings you some exciting news. On Thursday, the Apple stock experienced a positive trend, gaining 0.223%. Let's dive into the details. During the last trading day, which was on Thursday, December 28, 2023, the Apple stock price saw a fluctuation of 0.756%. It started at a day low of $193.20 and reached a day high of $194.66. By the end of the day, it settled at $193.58, marking a 0.223% increase from the previous day's closing price of $193.15. It's important to note that the stock price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -2.21% over this period. Now, let's take a broader look at the stock's performance. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 3.03% or $6.04 below its 52-week high. Moreover, it stands 15.19% or $34.68 below the all-time high, which was reached on August 30, 2018, with a price of $228.26. It's worth noting that these figures are subject to change. In terms of trading volume, 33 million shares were bought and sold on the last trading day, amounting to approximately $6.40 billion. It's important to consider that the decrease in volume, by -13 million shares, in conjunction with higher prices, can indicate a potential divergence and may serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Analyst ratings. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's analyze the signals for Apple stock. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -2.29%. The indication is that it may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some positive signals that could influence the near short-term development. The Apple stock has a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates a general buy signal for the stock, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Looking ahead, the stock may face resistance at around $194.26 on further gains, while finding support at approximately $191.65 from the long-term average on a fall. A breakup through the short-term average would send a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average would send a sell signal. It's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to the downside, Apple's stock has found support just below today's level at $181.82 and $176.65. It's important to note that testing a support level carries a natural risk. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for Apple are at $181.82, followed by $176.65 and $166.89. Fortunately, Apple tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. In fact, the stock's volatility has been quite stable. On the last day, it had a price range of $1.46, which is only 0.756% of its value. And over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 1.14%. Before we get into discussing the potential trading levels for Apple, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This is a crucial metric that measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the range of what we consider normal. It's a common ratio for businesses with a long track record or consistent revenue streams. Now, let's move on to some other important news. The next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $197.57. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to break before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.327. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $185.75, which represents a decrease of 4.04%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 9 days ago, further supporting our recommendation. Is Apple stock a good buy? While there are some negative signals and indicators that may impact its short-term development, we believe there is a potential buying opportunity in the long run. We expect the price to increase over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, December 29th, we anticipate Apple to open at $193.81, representing a $0.233 increase from the previous day. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.